Lemon balm is an herbaceous perennial plant that has the name Melissa officinalis in the botanical community. This species is incredibly famous for the essential oils it creates. Those oils have a mild lemony scent, which gives this plant its common name. Lemon balm oil is also a key ingredient in many products, including cosmetics and cleaning agents. While the lemon balm is most noteworthy for its commercial use, many gardeners cultivate this plant as an ornamental species. That garden use has persisted since the 16th century. What makes this plant so lovely is its pleasant green leaves and its ability to attract beneficial pollinator species such as honeybees. Lemon balm also has some medical uses too. At times, its oils can reduce symptoms of anxiety. This plant can also serve as a form of aromatherapy or as a skin lotion. However, while those benefits exist, some people can have a negative reaction to lemon balm. For example, it's possible to experience headaches, nausea, and vomiting because of this plant. Despite those legitimate side effects, lemon balm is generally safe to use as a short-term form of treatment. Overall, the appearance of lemon balm is quite similar to mint. Both plants have interesting foliage and grow to a minimal size. Lemon balm also proves to be relatively easy to care for. It has average water needs and requires fertilization about once per month. Other than that, all you'll need to do is trim away withered leaves